Hello students, today we will work upon writing section. Today we will start writing section. So first of all, I would like to make you learn writing letters. Okay, or letter writing. Today we will do letter writing. So this is the first page. Why we write letter? This is letter writing. A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. Usually it is sent to recipient via mail or post in an envelope. Although this is not requirement as such, any such message that is transferred via post is a letter. A written conversation between two parties. Letter, a written conversation between two parties. Once there was a post office. Even in the beginning, people used to send messages via post office or in and before that, earlier than that, people used to send messages through pigeons. They used to write the message and tie their message in the post, and then the pigeon used to bring that message. As a time developed, invention has been made, and one of the invention was letter, means the transporting of letter. Then they started bringing letters through by sitting or by riding on horse, and the fastest mode came. It was transported by a train, mail, and then the message were being sent through typing, telegrams we called, and after that it became more advanced, and computer was invented. Through internet we send mail, and even we can send letter through internet, and today it is in your hands. Palm top was invented, and today it is in your hands, just seconds, and you write letter and send it. People are not sending letters through post office. Still, a printed letter usually reserved for important profession communication, and it is sent. Like job cover letters, resignation letters, legal correspondence, company communication. These are the formal mode of communication, and it is done through letters. Professionally, people used to write letters and follow the procedures. So this is the introduction of letter writing. So here we start letter writing. Why do we write letter? So like now this is the time to start writing letter. Here different types of letter. Why we write letter? To send our messages, to communicate to someone else. To the another one we used to write letter. One party through another party, when we send letter, this is communication, and we do it through writing letters. Different types of letter. First of all, I would like to introduce you this writing letters. Letters are of two types, mainly of two types. The two ways we write letter: informal letter and formal letter. Okay, these are divided in subcategories, mainly formal, informal, and formal, as the name suggests. Informal, when we write letter to our parents, when we are living in hostel or somewhere else, when we write letter to relatives and even friends, etc. Okay, brother is writing to sister, sister is writing to brother, friends, kin and kids. These are called informal letters. But as far as we talk about formal letters, then these are of main concern. These are divided in many categories, like letter of application. We used to write application, and you begin writing application in the school. You never send letter, you always write application, that this is the problem, that I am just suffering from fever and I want 2 days leave, doctor has advised me to take the rest. So you used to write application. So we write application to the principal, or to some office when we required. Sometime we used to write application to bank to close the account that is being run in the same bank. And some more application we used to write, like for the change of the section. Okay, next is letter to editor. Letter to editor, we write letter to editor to share our concern through newspaper. Then we write letter to editor. It we can share our concern, we can discuss some issues, we can discuss some important things, or we can raise some question. So whatever is related to social society, we used to write letter to editor. Then next letter is official letter for professional use, business letter when we use it in term of business, complaint when we make complaint, like I have purchased a TV, LCD or LED and it create a fault. At that time we have to write complaint. Or I have ordered some books, some stationery, and then I found that whatever I have ordered has not been received or has not been sent. Then I used to write complaint letter. Inquiry, if I am asked, if I am going to ask something, if I have to order something, then I ask an inquiry letter whether the things are available, prices, and bulk availability, etc. In the same manner, placing an order. Okay, so these are the types of letter: formal, informal. Clear? So also there are some more rules to write informal and formal letter. Like while writing informal, you need not to worry too much serious in the language. And when we write formal letter, then the language should be formal. No slang will be used, no abbreviations will be used here. Okay, so that part, the difference between or what words we should use, we will discuss also. Now come to the next one, which is writing letter. First of all, I would like to discuss with you this letter to editor format. Okay, whatever we write, either it is a notice, either it is a message, diary entry, in writing section we are having a set format, and this is must for us to follow the format. Okay, to follow the format, first of all I am going to discuss formal letter, letter to editor. Formal letter, letter to editor. When we write letter to editor, it is similar, most of the letters are having similar format, but still there are little bit difference that we should keep in mind. So when you will learn format of letters, then you will come to know the difference. Okay, so this is a format of formal letter, letter to editor. First of all, we mention sender's address, and always try that it consists only in 2 lines. Sender's address. Sender means who is sending the letter, and who is sending? The one who is writing the letter. You need not to mention your name while writing sender's address. Keep in mind. And then we are here. It's date. Skip one line when you mention sender's address. Then skip one line. Come to date. Date. We mention date is either as per American pattern or as per British. But whenever we write, like today is 8th of April, so I will not write 8-4 2020. No, it is outdated. I'll mention date 8 April 2020, and I will not mention any comma in that. But when I am following another pattern, then I will mention month before, like April 8 2020. Here I will mention a comma. Why I will mention a comma here? Because if I am writing 82020, then it will be a problem, because then no one will be able to differentiate between 82020. That's why I have to add a comma here. When I write month, day and year format, this is called British pattern of writing date. When I am mentioning day, month and year, this is called American pattern. Okay, so normally we can follow American or British pattern to write it. After mentioning the date, then come to receiver's address. Receiver, the one who is going to receive the letter. To whom you are writing the letter, so mention the address here. It can consist 3 lines. Keep in mind, it can consist 3 lines. Okay. Then skip one line again. Come to subject. Subject. Subject can be what topic I am taking, what the question has been given to me, and why am I writing the letter. In formal letter, this is must to mention subject and try to mention the initials of the word in capital while writing subject. You need not to worry about prepositions or article, but other words you mention in capital letters. Come to salutation. Come to salutation, dear sir, ma'am, respected sir or ma'am, or you can only write sir, ma'am. When you mention these things, then come to body of the letter, or we can say content, about what we are writing letter. Here it can consist 3 paragraphs, mainly 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, when you start, the first paragraph of letter should provide an introduction as why you are writing this letter, or the reason why you are writing this letter, that shows your concern, or if you are having problem, that shows your problem. And in the beginning you can mention there are some lines, like while writing the letter to editor, while writing letter to editor, to mention, you can mention, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of authorities. If you are writing to authorities, I would like to I would like to draw the attention of readers towards the problem of. Like this, you will begin. Okay. In the second paragraph, you will mention the more details, or you will provide more information about that. You will provide more information about that, like this is the problem and what solution can be, or what problems you are facing due to that. Okay, so in second paragraph or the following paragraphs, you can provide more information, you can provide specific details about your request or the information you are providing. Then come to the last paragraph of your letter. It should reiterate the reason you are writing the letter, or thank the readers to reviewing your request. Thanks to reader for reviewing your request. If appropriate, it should also politely ask for a written response, or for the opportunity to arrange a meeting, or you can also ask to do the needful, or you can request to do the further discussion or the further process as per the requirement. And also you can mention ASAP, because it means as soon as possible. Clear? You can mention as soon as possible. Now come to the subscription and signature. I hope you are able to see it. This is subscription and signature at last. Okay, subscription and signature. You mention here your name, yours sincerely, yours truly. These at last you have to mention, and then write your name or sign it. So this is the set format of letter to editor. One more thing I would like to mention: C. Whenever write a letter, follow a certain line. It should be in a sequence. See, there is a proper gap in each and every line. See, it is following a sequence. So presentation also matters. With format, presentation also matters. Come to the next one. Writing letters, letter to editor, you can say it a sample letter or example of letter to editor. Here I have mentioned as per the format. As per the format I have mentioned, like as I have written the format. In the same way I have mentioned this all thing. Like first of all I have mentioned the address of sender. Navrang Kunj, Rohini, Delhi 53. Skipped one line. 8 April 2020. See, I haven't mentioned 8/4/2020. No. But I can mention April 8, 2020. Both formats are correct. Come to the next address, which is receiver's address, the editor, because I am writing the letter to editor. Editor of which newspaper? Indian Express. The editor, the Indian Express, Karol Bagh, Delhi 48. Now subject. See, as during the time of this corona, I have taken the current issue. I have taken the current matter going on. It's preventives during COVID-19. You have to write subject in a precise manner. Okay. Sir, madam. After that, I came to here. Sir, madam. I can write respected sir. I can write respected madam or sir oblique madam to whom it may concern. Here I have done the beginning. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to share my concern about the measures or preventive to take during the spread of COVID-19, which has been already declared a pandemic. Now you understood why I am writing this letter. I am concerned for this and I want to share this message to a mass. It means I want to share this message to many people. So I am writing this letter, and if editor publish this in the newspaper, then the readers will read it. Okay, that's why I used to write letter to editor. Then after writing first paragraph, what I told you, that in the first paragraph your letter should provide an introduction why you are writing the letter. So I am writing this letter to provide preventives or to take measures against the spread of COVID-19. Clear? Now it has been noticed that you can, second paragraph you can start or you can begin like this. It has been noticed that the COVID-19 is spreading rapidly and it has set its foot in India also. Any matter of your concern can come here. It has set foot in India also. So even the PM Narendra Modi has requested or declared it as hotspot in the area, and all the people are requested to stay home, to stay safe. At last I would like to, means you can request to everyone, you can request to each, like to stay safe, stay home. These are your views that you can mention here. After completing the letter, I have mentioned yours sincerely, yours truly, Bharat, who is writing a letter. Okay, or if it is a girl, then Bharti. Clear? Boy mentions boy name and girl mention girl's name. This is simple. Now I have begun this letter but left incomplete. So your task, your homework is to complete this letter and show it to me. Beginning you can change. Okay, you can take some other topic, but it should be related to COVID-19, or you can continue same letter, it will be better. Thank you बच्चों for having being patient to me. Thank you.